welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rumbai bringing you the Salesian news across the globe. From 3rd to 5th of August at the Spirituality Center, San Francisco de Sales in Bogota in Colombia, a meeting of the delegates of Salesians and the daughters of Maria Auxiliary of the Sales family Yana FS, with the presence of 22 people from various Hispanic countries of Latin America. During the meeting, we thought together about the Salesian family identity card, sharing initiatives to promote, spread awareness and live this document. The 5th concert of the 2022 season of Music in the Style of Don Bosco, an event promoted for several years by the director of the Salesian Institute, Oswi Oskim, Don Darus Batocha, SDB. This happened last August 5th. After the appointments performed on the previous summer Fridays by the groups Tugasca, Voicing Studio, the Salesian Youth Orchestra Socolio, and the group Tres Notas, the musician and the poet Janu Saluga, who proposed a selection of his several hundred compositions included in the 9 CDs already published and in the one being prepared. Among the songs performed, there were personal creations of the artists as well as works performed from poems by other authors. Last July 31, 2022, the aspirants in Hanoi attended their recollection at Nong Vu Church to end their school year. After 22 years of Salesian presence in the north, these are the first batch to search for a vocation, and it is organized right at the Salesian House. In this coming school year, there will be 2 aspirants moving to a new phase in Saigon. They will have 1 year of preparation to enter the pre-novitiate house. Some other aspirants are to join the next batch in Nong Vu. Last Saturday, August 6th, the first service fair was held at the Santo Domingo Savio Oratory in Tijuana, one of the 6 wards that make up the Proyecto Salesiano Tijuana AC, located in one of the poorest and most violent neighborhoods of the city, especially in recent times. The concern of the Salesians in the area of the city has to do with the increase in criminal violence, murders, drug trafficking, and also the population's lack of access to health and social services. During the meeting, the Salesian work on the border in favor of migrants and people in situations of social vulnerability was discussed, as well as the most urgent needs of these people, to which the various Salesian works in the city are tirelessly dedicated. It was thus decided, with the support of various government agencies, to implement various activities in Salesian centers to bring services closer to the local community and to enable the staff of these agencies to better understand the needs of the local population. Launched by Father Chris Riley SDB some 30 years ago, the Youth Off the Streets, YOS, a comprehensive service network for the youth at risk, is journeying with the vulnerable young people and young adults of Sydney, New South Wales, Australia. Father Riley has been committed to supporting young people since his teens. Prior to establishing Youth of the Streets in 1991, he worked as a teacher, youth worker, probation officer, residential carer, and school principal. Father Riley has always believed that there is no such thing as a child born bad, but instead, there are harmful environments, circumstances, and families that can negatively impact a young person. His vision was to empower young people experiencing disadvantage by providing strengths-based strategies and positive options to help them build a better future for themselves. From modest beginnings, Father Riley spent the next 3 decades growing Youth of the Streets into a leading non-denominational youth services organization. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.